Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today I am going to make a new video that is relating to Nova Scotia Critical Construction Worker Pilot Program. Let's have a look and then apply who meets the requirement. Let's have a look. Okay. Nova Scotia Critical Construction Worker Pilot Program. Critical Construction Worker Pilot. The Critical Construction Worker Pilot Program job offer pathway is only available to individuals who have a permanent full-time job offer from a Nova Scotia employer in the construction sector. Your job offer must be on the list of approval NOCs provided below. And then those applicants who have got the job offer from the employer can only apply in this job. Okay. Requirement. Have 1 year of work experience related to the job. Have a high school diploma or proof you have completed construction specific industry training program. Be 21 years to 55 years of age. Your age must be 21 to 25. Prove language ability equal to Canadian language benchmark, that is CLB level 5 for NOC tier 0, 1, 2 and 3 and CLB 4 NOC tier 4 and 5. Even if your first language is English or French. That doesn't matter whether your first language is French or first language is English. You have to prove, you have to show the language ability equal to Canadian language benchmark, that is CLB 5 and CLB 4. So enough financial resources to successfully settle in Nova Scotia. Okay, the NOC job numbers. Okay, there are 21 NOC job number. 70010 construction manager, 70011 home building and renovation manager, 72011 construction and supervisor electrical trades and telecommunication occupation, 72014 contractor and supervisor other construction trades, installer, repair and services. 72020 contractors and supervisor mechanics trades, 72106 welders and related mechanic operators, 72200 electricians except industrial and power system, 72201 industrial electrician, 72310 carpenters, 72320 bricklayers, 72401 heavy duty equipment mechanics, 72402 heating, refrigeration and air condition mechanics, 72500 crane operators, 73100 concrete finisher, 73102 plasters, drywall installer, finisher and lathers. 73110 roofers and shinglers. 73200 residential and commercial installer and servicers. 73400 heavy equipment operators. 7375101 material handlers. 75110 construction trades helpers and laborers. 75115 other trades helper and laborers. Okay, these are 21 approved ENOCs relating to critical construction worker pilot. And okay, I have mentioned here the tier categories, and there are examples of jobs as well. Tier 0 management operation. An example: advertising, marketing, public relation manager, financial manager. Tier 1 occupation that requires a university degree. Tier 1 that require university degree, remember. And the example: financial advisor, software engineer. These are only the example, okay, relating to these other many jobs, okay. And tier 2 occupations that requires college diploma, 2 years apprenticeship training, supervisory occupations, and the examples: computer network and web technicians, medical laboratory technologists, and other many jobs relating to these 2-year diploma, 2 years apprenticeship training, and then supervisory occupations relating to tier 2. And tier 3 occupation that requires a college diploma, less than 2 years apprenticeship training, and more than 6 months on the job training. The examples: bakers, dental assistants, and dental laboratory assistants. Okay, these tier 0, 1, 2, 3, you need CLB 5 language benchmark. Remember, CLB 5 for tier 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, then tier 4 and 5 needs CLB 4. Tier 4 occupation that requires a high school diploma or several weeks or on the job training. And the example: home child care providers, retail salesperson, and visual merchandiser. Tier 5 occupation that usually need short-term work demonstration and no formal education. Remember, tier 5 doesn't need formal education. And the examples: landscaping and grounds maintenance laborers, delivery service drivers, and door-to-door distributors. Okay. You can select and figure out in which category you will be, and then what language benchmark you should require according to these occupation types and examples. Okay, these are only the example. There may be many, there can be many other relating jobs. Okay. Okay, just before that, okay, how to apply? Complete the online application forms and in that and include all required information and attachment, and this is the website. I have mentioned the website in the videos also. You can simply download, you can simply click this link, and then you can open in your browser. Okay, these are the screenshot. It's screenshot of the page. How to apply? Yeah, you can directly click in this apply online option, and then go from there. Okay, and you need application guide and forms. All these forms you can download from here, and I have also mentioned these links in the videos also. And if you need, you can contact by writing labor, skill and immigration and population growth. This PO Box 697 Halifax, and postal code this. And if you are visiting in person, you can visit in this address, and if you are willing to email, you can email in this email. If you wanna call in the number is mentioned there. You can contact them directly, but the better option is writing email, and then okay, these are the references. In the video you can't this PowerPoint slide you can't download. You can click this, but I will mention all these references, all these link in the video, clickable, and then downloadable video, side in the video. Okay, yeah, before just a second. Okay, yeah, you can see all the information of tier category and example here, and how to find the job according to the tier, title, and then code. You can go in this way. See, tier 0, NOC number code, this, and class title, financial manager, human resource manager, like this. Okay, next page, tier category 000. Yeah, okay, in this way you can find the different jobs, and then okay. Now let's go to the application guide. Critical construction worker pilot job offer pathway application guide. This is 34 pages, and you can go through this in detail. these all are the clickable link. You can go for the applicant. Okay. Thank you for choosing Nova Scotia. Read the guide carefully to find out how you can apply to the Nova Scotia nominee program through the critical construction worker pilot job offer pathway. If you are accepted through this stream, you may apply to the federal government for a permanent resident visa. Okay. Yeah. Yes, you can read this, paragraph also. The critical construction worker pilot job offer pathway helps employers, not only the employers in the construction sector to hire and retain workers whose skills our province needs. Some Nova Scotia employers have had trouble filling positions because they could not find a Canadian citizen or permanent resident to do the job. Okay. That's why, they didn't get the proper candidate in the Nova Scotia, qualified candidate in the Nova Scotia. So, they are hiring internationally. They are recruiting internationally the qualified candidate in the construction field. The important information. See, you must have a full-time permanent job offer from a Nova Scotia employer before you can apply to immigrate through the Nova Scotia nominee program, critical construction worker pilot job offer pathway. Full-time means that you will work year-round for a minimum of 30 hours a week. Okay. Permanent means your job does not have any end date. Understand? Not a 1 year, not a 2 year, not a 3 months, 5 months, like that. Okay. Read all this information, and these pilot program is not intending to bring the families, those who already settle in the Nova Scotia. Definitely you can bring the family, but those who got the job offer from the employer of Nova Scotia and get the visa from the Canadian government, then they can bring the family definitely. Okay, read all this information. The age limit 21 to 25, between 21 to 55, and you have a high school diploma or proof you have completed a construction specific industry training program. Okay, yeah, all this information, go through all this information. Okay, do not apply to the critical construction worker pilot job offer pathway if even one of the statement below applies to you. You have been found to have committed misrepresentation in relating to an immigration application in the last 5 years. Okay, read all these things. If you find any related information or any one information match to you, then you can't apply. What you need to know before apply? Okay, read all these things. First, you apply to the Nova Scotia nominee program critical construction worker pilot job offer pathway. If you are nominated for this stream, we will email you a nomination certificate. At the same time, we will send proof of your nomination to Immigration, Refugee and Citizenship Canada. That means they will also send the nomination certificate to the IRCC. Okay, cost only you need to okay. There is no application fees for the Nova Scotia nominee program, but there may be cost related to your application, translation cost, document translation, from your mother language to English or French, and fees charged by the representative. If you choose any representative, you need to pay, but that is not relating to the IRCC cost. And if you are nominated by the province of Nova Scotia, apply to IRCC for your permanent resident visa within 6 months for receiving your nomination certificate. You may submit application for yourself and include your spouse. And okay, see here. Cost, there is a fee to apply for a permanent resident visa. For current fees, see fee. Okay, yeah, you can see the fee over here. Yes. Okay, I am not taking you there. I will make another video for that, how much fee you need to pay and something like that. Okay, this 34 pages, video, instruction or a guide, you can read all these things. Okay, and okay, I have already mentioned that what requirement you do need and here. Okay, read all this information, document checklist, and submit according to mention document checklist over here. And if you okay, thank you so much for watching, and remember, I'm not immigration consultant. I'm neither an immigration consultant nor immigration lawyer. I'm only making this video for your information, for your help, for your support. Okay, thank you so much. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel to watch such type of videos. Thank you so much and take care. Have a good day, have a good night wherever you are. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.